Hi friends! Welcome to our channel. Indulge in our family's winter salad, a delightful blend of crisp Savoy cabbage, vibrant carrots, and bell peppers bathed in a sweet and sour sauce. Packed with vitamins, this refreshing dish is both delicious and nourishing. Elevate your winter menu with this easy-to-make recipe, a perfect balance of flavors and textures that will leave your taste buds singing. For this salad we used 1 kilogram of Savoy cabbage, 300 grams of carrots, 300 grams of red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 6 tablespoons of wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil. First, finely chop the cabbage. Then cut the pepper into long, thin strips. Grate the carrots on a coarse grater. Mix the grated cabbage and carrots, add salt and sugar. Massage the vegetables well, squeezing them and kneading them to soften the fibres. Coarse salt will help you in this process. When the vegetables release their juice and become moist and soft, you can add the rest of the ingredients. So, add the pepper and wine vinegar, mix your salad and put it in a jar. Press well, so that the juice covers the salad, and place the jar in the refrigerator for several hours or, better yet, overnight. This way your salad will marinate and mix the flavors well. Before serving, add olive oil to taste. Bon appetito! Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.